Good morning, students. Take out your English reader book. Today we will read lesson 25. The name of the lesson is That is Your Bag, Not Mine. That is your bag, not mine. Okay. Now we will read new words. Donkey, donkey, equal, equal, helpful, helpful, carry, carry, extra, extra. Now we will read the lesson. Ram had 2 donkeys. This is Ram. Ram has 2 donkeys. 2 donkeys. Okay. Ram had 2 donkeys. He used to put bags of goods on their backs. The donkeys would carry the goods to the hills. Their master sold these goods to people living in the hills. One day, Ram was going on a trip to the hills. He put equal number of bags on both the donkeys. You can see in the pictures equal bags on both the donkeys. 1, 2, 3 and also 3. Okay. Ram did not know that one donkey was ill. The ill donkey said to the other, "Brother, I cannot carry this load." The other donkey said, "We have to do as our master says. This is our duty." Out of 2, one donkey was ill. This white donkey was ill, and ill donkey says to other donkey, "I cannot carry this load. I am not feeling well. So please carry my bags." But other donkey was not kind. He said, "We have to do as our master says. This is our duty. We should do our duty on our own." Okay. After walking for some time, that ill donkey became tired. When we are ill, we feel tired. He said to the other donkey, "Brother, I am not feeling well. Can you take one of my bags?" The other donkey was not kind and helpful. The other donkey was not kind and helpful. He replied, "I already have 3 bags. I am carrying mine. You carry yours." The other donkey was not kind and helpful. He replied to ill donkey that, "I am carrying mine and you carry yours." मैं अपने बैग उठा रहा हूं, तुम अपने उठाओ. Saying this, he walked on. The ill donkey walked as far as he could and then fell down dead. The ill donkey was feeling tired. He was not feeling well. So he walked as far as he could and then he fell down and died. Okay. One of his bags went over the hills. You can see in the picture, one bag is going down. Ram was very sad. He sat down near the dead donkey. Then he took the 2 bags that were left. One of his bags went over the hills and 2 bags were left. So and he took the 2 bags which were left and put them on the other donkey's back. Okay. Now the other donkey felt sorry that he had not helped his ill brother. He would have to carry only 1 extra bag then. Now he was feeling sorry. He felt sorry. He said himself that if I took 1 bag of my ill brother, then I would have to carry only 1 extra bag. Okay. Now you will read this lesson properly. Okay. 2 times. You will read 2 times. Okay. Thank you.